There's a deep, dark pain within me. Something that I would say nobody else understands, but with billions of people across the globe, there's just no way nobody else feels the way I feel. I can't even believe my life is going the way that it is. But sometimes we have to be reminded of the small things in life that matter. Apparently that's having breath, life, getting to see another day in the land of the living. Sounds nice. Almost sounds comforting. Maybe it's not comforting enough, but what can you do about it? If I have breath, I must go on, right? Yeah, I definitely understand. The sun will shine tomorrow, though, because no matter what I'm feeling, the day still goes on. The leaves will still blow. The birds will still sing. Yeah. Well, the journey must continue, but I can't say I've really had an amazing time in life. There's absolutely nothing I would take back, because then I wouldn't be me, right? Yeah. Well, it is what it is. Launching January 2026 on the Sounds of Shar'e YouTube channel.